Take a deep breath and allow yourself to arrive. You are not here by accident. You did not stumble into this moment, this lineage, or this life by chance. You are a soul, ancient, intelligent, and intentional, carrying stories that began long before your first breath, and wisdom that stretches far beyond this lifetime. Welcome to Healing Generational Karma. This is a remembering, a return, a reclamation of what was never meant to be carried forever. Part 1. You are your ancestors' dream. Before you were born, your soul made a choice, not just to exist, but to heal. You chose a family line rich with lessons, imprints, and unfinished stories, not because you were weak, but because you were strong enough to transform them. Generational karma is not punishment. It is momentum, energy set in motion, beliefs, fears, grief, resilience, love, all traveling through time, encoded in memory, biology, and soul. And you are the point where that energy can change direction. You are not separate from your ancestors. You are their continuation, and their possibility. Part 2. What generational karma really is. Generational karma lives in patterns, repeating relationships, inherited fears, chronic emotional states, stories that echo across decades. Science calls part of this epigenetics. Spirit calls it karmic memory. Both agree on one truth. What is not healed is passed on. But here is the deeper truth. What is healed ripples backward and forward through time. When you change, the entire lineage feels it. Karma is not here to trap you. It is here to wake you. Part 3. Starseed lineage meets Earth lineage. Many who feel drawn to this work have always felt different, sensitive, old beyond their years, homesick for something they cannot name. You may carry galactic memory, a soul history beyond Earth, but your Earth lineage matters deeply. Your human ancestry is not a distraction from your mission. It is the grounding point of it. You are here to merge the cosmic with the embodied, the stars with the soil, the infinite with the intimate. Healing does not happen by escaping the human experience. It happens by fully inhabiting it. Part 4. The mirror of inherited patterns. Some patterns feel personal, but many are not. Caretaking that exhausts you. Fear of success or visibility. Scarcity thinking despite abundance. Emotional reactions that feel bigger than the moment. These are mirrors. Invitations to ask, is this truly mine? Or am I carrying it for someone else? When you stop identifying with inherited pain, you gain the power to release it. Awareness is the beginning of liberation. Part 5. The body as a living archive. Your body remembers. It holds grief that was never spoken, guilt that was never resolved, strength that was never acknowledged. Your DNA is not just biological, it is vibrational. Every cell is listening. And when you bring compassion, breath, sound, and intention into the body, the lineage begins to soften. You become the medicine. Part 6. Forgiveness as soul repair. Forgiveness is not forgetting. It is not excusing harm. It is releasing yourself from carrying what was never meant to be eternal. Forgiveness is frequency. When you forgive ancestors, selves, and even parallel versions of you, you collapse karmic loops. You free energy locked in time. Forgiveness is how the soul repairs itself across dimensions. Part 7. The healer archetype within you. You were not chosen because you are perfect. You were chosen because you are conscious. Cycle breakers are not here to suffer endlessly. They are here to end the suffering. Not through force, but through presence. Not through blame, but through clarity. Healing your lineage does not require martyrdom. It requires sovereignty. Part 8. Living beyond the pattern. When karma dissolves, a new blueprint emerges. You begin to live from choice instead of compulsion, from intuition instead of inheritance, from alignment instead of survival. This is not ascension away from life. This is embodiment within it. You become free, not just for yourself, but for those who came before, and those yet to come. Closing remembrance. Soft, reverent. You are not here to fix the past. You are here to transform its legacy. You are the prayer your ancestors whispered in their darkest moments. You are the answer that traveled through time. Healing generational karma is not about erasing history. It is about redeeming it. And as you walk forward, know this: you are not alone. You are remembered. And your healing matters more than you know.